welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to do my morning routine. I actually have the day off today. It is a little bit different from the go morning that I have when I work. Even though I work from home, I have a pretty tight morning schedule. If you are interested in seeing that, I can also make a morning routine when I work. But today we are going to just flow through the morning. We're gonna work out. We are also going to chat a little bit about my skin because it has been a crazy journey so far, and I want to discuss that with you in case any one of you is going through that, because it actually affects self-esteem so much. First, what I do every morning when I wake up is I take my Magic Mind. This is my secret to productivity. It is actually a focus shot packed with so many ingredients like ashwagandha, matcha, and lion's mane. All ingredients that make you more focused, more efficient, that taste amazing. I love the taste of this. I've been taking this for about a month now. I've seen tremendous improvement in my focus, in my energy. I don't have afternoon crashes like I usually have. For the winter mornings, this is a must-have. If you're interested, I am going to leave all the information down in the description box below. That's the first thing that I do, and then I make my coffee. Today is a really pretty sunny day. I am actually so much energized by the sun. Yesterday we had our first major snowstorm in Quebec. It was crazy. I think I shoveled snow like 4 times yesterday, and it snowed all day. I think that even like the city cannot keep up with all the amount of snow that has fallen yesterday. So yeah, I'm supposed to travel today. I'm gonna make my coffee and I'll catch you guys a little bit later. In this clip, you can see my rash a lot, and honestly, it takes a lot of courage to show it to you guys. But I want to be real and authentic and share a side of myself that we don't always see on social media nowadays. Right now, it's really hard on my self-esteem, but at the same time, I know it's completely normal to go through life with things that makes us feel less confident. I want to try, no matter how hard it is, to build my self-worth on things that matter more than looks and appearance. All of this to say, this is me, makeup free, reminding you that we are so much more than the things that we're insecure about. Lately, I've been loving reading my book in the morning instead of scrolling social media. I feel like it is more of a slow-paced kind of morning, and I am currently reading Frida McFadden, The Crash. To be honest, this writer is always spot on. I never read the synopsis just because I know that I am going to love her book no matter what. The plot twists in her books are always incredible. This is what I'm currently reading. I have been behind this year on my goals for reading because I have been all over the place. That's okay. I really want to just enjoy the books that I'm reading and not try to read as many as possible and not remember the stories that I'm reading, if that makes sense. I am going to enjoy my coffee a little bit. I usually do this for about 10 to 15 minutes before going to work out. Cheers, guys. Alright, so let's discuss while I am doing my hair. I have gotten this round brush and I love it so much. I use my Dyson Air Straight and then I use this on top. If you've watched my previous video, you know that I have a problem with my chin ever since I started to take the contraception pill. Again, it's been like 2 months. I have this very incredible rash on my chin. Yesterday I had a Zoom call with a dermatologist, which I'm so grateful that I have access to that service through my job. He told me that it was a perioral dermatitis, and he prescribed me with a special cream, and I also changed all of my usual skincare to make sure that there is no alcohol, there is no fragrance, there is no nothing that can irritate it even more. I'm kind of going crazy because I never have this much redness on my skin ever. Obviously it takes a toll on my self-esteem because I'm not used to this, and I am so lucky. I know that I never really had any skin problem, but like right now this is making me really self-aware. We are going to put a little bit of makeup on top of it. It is temporary, and we are like working on a solution to get rid of this, but like the cream that he prescribed me is going to take about 4 to 8 weeks to work, so we'll have to deal with that for the remaining of like the winter period, I guess. It's going to be a pretty chill weekend. We have a brunch planned tomorrow morning. We are planning on having sushi tonight, so that's going to be fun. I also wanted to talk to you guys about a project that I'm doing. This year I decided that I really want to be grateful for all of the special moments. I have started to do like this DIY project where I print Polaroid picture. I've seen this on Pinterest. You've probably seen it everywhere as well. I'm gonna put like a picture of what I'm talking about. My goal is that at the end of 2025 I have a frame with all of like my best memories of the year, and every single time that I pass in front of the frame I can be grateful for like the special memories that I make throughout the year, because I feel like sometimes we go through life and we don't take the time to just stop and think about everything that happens every single week, every single month. That is something that I'm pretty excited about. We're going to pack, and I'm going to bring my pup to my mom because she's going to babysit him for the weekend, which is something that I'm also very grateful for. My mom lives like 5 minutes from where I live, and I'm so close with my parents, and she takes my dog whenever I leave for the weekend. Thank you, Mom, because I know that you're watching my videos. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then we are leaving for the weekend.